Respected principal, honorable teachers and my dear class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is pros and cons of online classes. Dear audience, although many people still consider traditional classes as the best way for learning, but in this technological age, online classes system of learning proves to be a great alternative of traditional classes. In online classes system, students have the chance to study from the easy of their home. Students can take classes at the time when they preferred, as most of the classes are recorded. Online classes system of learning helps participants to learn however they want to learn, leaving them the freedom to choose the time to study. Dear students, many schools, institutes, and universities are providing online classes free of cost. Thus, online classes are helpful for those students who earlier could not pay their fee. Among the pros of online classes system of learning, there are responsibility and self-discipline of students in online class system. Dear students, if there are many pros or advantages of online class system, there are many cons or disadvantages of online learning. At school or in traditional classes system, students learn how to make friends, how to behave with teachers and friends, how to get rid of disappointment, etc. Dear students, the main work of personality development of students can be done through traditional classes. In online classes, these all are missing. Online learning cannot offer face-to-face human interaction, which are very important for personality developments. Online classes system can be very difficult for some person who don't know the proper use of technological instruments. For kids, online classes require great discipline and practice. It also requires more interventions of parents in case of kids. In online classes, students use electronic devices like mobile, tablet, laptops or computer. Use of these devices for longer time will badly affect the health of students. Thank you.